All right, y'all, we back. 1978 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. She has the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Interior is nice and clean. She has a set of 22-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. Let's check her out. Y'all do me a huge favor. Drop down in the comments and rate the video quality. Not my commentary, just the video quality. From 1 to 10. And she does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out that top. Nice and clean. Driver side frame and floor pans. She has a little opportunity underneath. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is automatic latching. Gotta love that feature. Let's check out the interior. She got power windows, power locks. Seat show minor wear, sign she was driven. Hair liner. Check out that dash. Y'all don't forget to drop down in the comments and rate the video quality 1 to 10 for me. Mileage reached a little over 86,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, cruise control, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all go and check out rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Check out how smooth she's running. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.